Hello everyone. So today's design is going to be very interesting because I'm going to design a promotional poster of like a old Coke bottle, and I wanted to have a bit of a old vintage look to it. So that's what I'm going for right now. My initial composition that I wanted to try was to have the Coke in the corner and the description in the side, but I'm still going to try a different composition to see if anything else works. And right now it's just a plain background with a solid color, and I'm finding different inspiration for the design right now through Pinterest. And actually Pinterest is a great source for inspiration for me. I know there are other websites like Behance and Dribble for graphic designers, but I like Pinterest. And right now I'm just trying to adjust the bottle to make it more stand out. I decided to just put it on the side again, not in the middle, and just to play around with some drop shadow. And I'm going to keep the drop shadow for a long time actually, but the end result of the drop shadow was not working for me. And after looking at some inspiration and going back and forth, I like this one actually. I actually realized that one of the biggest elements of a Coke design is that swirly line. So I try to incorporate that because I thought it would look better with the design. So that's what I'm trying now. And I found it like a little tagline called "It's the real thing," and it's from an old design actually. And I thought I would try it on my design. And now I'm just trying different fonts, and I got this font that I wanted to try. Called I think it's called Alpha Slab. If I'm right, I I don't really remember, but I think it's Alpha Slab. After that, I'm just trying different like sizes and kerning to make it stand out more, and just changing the color and all of that to figure out if like what works for the design. But I just went with this like off like an off-white color because I think it fits with the vintage vibe of the design. Now I'm trying another composition which is like putting it in the middle and putting the it's a real thing on above. And yeah, that composition also works actually, but I wasn't like satisfied with it. So yeah, I'm gonna abandon this as well actually, and just go back and find other inspiration for it on like internet. Like this one was a good one. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of like back and forth and back and forth, but actually I'm really proud of this one, like how it turned out, uh, because I, I did not expect the design to turn out as well as it did, honestly. And now I'm just gonna actually get rid of the lines, and I'm going to use this like round shape because it represents the cap. After trying out different layouts and everything, I just decided to get rid of that because it just wasn't serving any purpose. And instead of that, I just decided to put a single line in the corner to kind of like uh, to kind of match the primary text with the secondary one that I'm going to write, which would be just the description of the bottle actually. Initially, I wanted to write something about the original taste of Coca Cola because I think it's a very unique taste. But I accidentally managed to uh, do it like this, which is just like putting the box of text in the corner, and I thought that looked good. So I actually used the Roboto font on this one, and this actually turned out well. And I'm going to try and write uh, like an actual description on my own, but at the end I decided it's gonna be too much, so I just asked Copilot, which is the AI tool built into Windows in the new update. I just used that to write a fake description for the bottle. After it gave me the description, I just copy pasted it onto the box, and this is something I actually wanted to discuss before. Whenever I tried to write something in a box, it never worked, but I think it was because of my font choice. And with the right font and with the right like box of text, it worked really well and it looked really cool in my opinion. And yeah, I'm actually really proud of the design. So now I'm just like trying different ways of like spacings and the tiny details that would make the design pop out more. I decided to differentiate real thing from its the because I think it just adds a bit of contrast. And I'm changing the adjustments of the actual bottle to make it stand out more. And in the background, I actually wanted some sort of like water droplets in the background, and unfortunately, I could not find any water droplets. I wanted to try that so badly, but unfortunately, it just never. I could not find any kind of water droplet, so I just decided to change the color of the background. Actually, I'm going to make it into a kind of gradient. Actually, you will see in a bit. Like here, I'm trying a different color, and instead now I actually tried the gradient, and in my opinion, it looked quite good. So this is what the final design was actually, and now I'm going to kind of put a shadow in the like in a corner because I wanted it to have a sense of like the bottle is resting on something and it's like producing a shadow in the corner. And I also decided to put like a shadow in the bottom, but honestly, like having a shadow in the bottom and also in the corner kind of looked weird in my opinion. So I'm actually gonna get rid of that in a bit. It looked good, but it just didn't serve any purpose in this design. So I got rid of that. And yeah, and the weird thing is that the shadow actually mirrors the text a bit actually. Like the text is going around the shadow, which is a cool effect that happened completely accidentally. And now I'm sharpening the image of the bottle to make it look more realistic, uh, more enhanced, I guess. I realized that the in the corner it was too much empty space. So just to balance out the design, I put the Coca-Cola logo on there, put a color layer on it to kind of match the design more and not let it completely blend. And yeah, this is kind of turning into the final design now. And now I'm going to put on some uh, texture on top of it. And again, this was also I also have like two different versions of the design. I put both of them at the end. Let me know which one do you like the most. Actually, I saved both, so you guys can decide and tell me in the comment. So do share your comments in the uh, do share your opinions in the comments. That's what I mean. This is the original one. I think it looks good on its own, honestly, without the textures and everything. It looks fantastic, but my brother actually preferred this one. This is the textured one. It's more grungy and more like it has a bit more weight, I guess.